experiment. We are going to make a snowman and melt it. Are you ready? We need vinegar, baking soda, prickly for his eyes, scarf, hands, nose, mix water for mixing baking soda. Now follow each step with me. Mix baking soda and water such that you can form round circle, one for head and one for tummy. Slowly put hands, scarf and eyes. Put snow around snowman. Now take 1 spoon vinegar and put. Now look how snowman will start melting. Would you like to see my next experiment?